right? So one of the things that we're going to work on today is the pay links. And the reason for the pay links is if you want someone to pay for like a particular service and you want to be able just to be able to send them one link instead of having to have them go to your site or whatever the case may be, creating these pay links is an easy way to be able to get paid and also give people payment options, right? So what we're going to do is start right here by clicking create link, and you'll notice the first option you have is a one-time payment or multi-payment. So if someone has to pay, let's say over a course of period of time, or this is like a deposit or it's a one-time fee, you'll be able to choose and create that option here. So for this example, we're going to do a one-time payment and then click next, right? And then you'll see here, this is exactly what the preview will look like. So as we enter in more information, a lot of this will get filled out. So let's say we have a setup fee, right? And this setup fee is $150. And this is the fee to set something up. We're going to click open setting. And you'll see here that you're able to add an expiration date as far as how long will this link be active, which is pretty cool. And then you also have the button color. So to be able to make sure that this is like aligned with your branding. So just, I'm going to get as close as possible, right? Let's say that's part of my branding. And then the button says pay now, right? Or you could just edit that to say whatever it is that you want. And we're going to pretend like we're going to go to the media for Wix. And if you're not used to media for Wix, this provides a plethora of different royalty-free images that you can use on your site. So what we're going to do is, let's say that this is a personal trainer, right? Click editor, and we'll just click this image just to make life easy. Bada bing, bada boom. Right? So you have the image, the feed, the setup fee, and this is what the client will see when you send them the link. When you send them the link, whether it be through their phone or on desktop, but this is more than likely the mobile view. I'm going to create the link here, right? So now we have a link, right? So we have a link right here. So let's just see what this link will look like, right? Okay. So you'll see there's an overview, setup fee 150. The fee to set something up. You'll see the image right there. You'll see area for me to enter in my credit card, PayPal, information if I want to pay through PayPal, I can pay as well because I have PayPal and credit card processing set up on my site. Standard information, and then the client would just click pay now. So what you see here is that you can also just type in the client's email. So if you have the client list right here, it'll be there. And then you can also get the QR code, which is pretty cool, right? So the pay links is like a really simple way to get paid. It's user friendly and is like probably solves like a lot of our issues and problems as far as being able to get paid in an easy fashion, especially if your client is not so tech savvy, right? So hopefully this helps out as far as seeing exactly how to create a pay link, exactly what goes into it, and exactly how you can use it for your business.